Hi YouTube, it's Tony. Today I'll be doing a Playdoh challenge for you, blindfolded. Today I'll be doing Peach. So, let's get started. I have 10 minutes on the clock. So, ready, set, go. This is my purple. Okay, this is really hard. Okay, I think I have my perfect circle. Now I need my toothpicker. Okay. I need to make a little... now I need my black.
That's black.
Don't tell me. Where's my toothpick? Is this toothpick, Mommy? Okay, and now I need a little smile, so I need pink. Or is this pink? No, is this? But does that look perfect? She needs to look like a peach. Okay, now I need dark green. A little stem, some leaves. I think this is the top right. I can hear you, Justina. Okay, now I need to make a little green stem.
You need the green stem?
I think I got green, right?
Mm-hmm. Yes, you did.
Okay, I think that's it. Or no, I need my little... Have you put in arms or legs on this yet?
No.
Where's my full color? Is this it? Is this my purple or my skin color that I'm using?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay. I need at least some help with what colors I'm using, so I'm not crooked. Okay, now I need a little foot. Okay, is that all I need?
Yep.
Okay, so, whoa. So, here's my little peach.
I thought it came out amazing for being blindfolded.
I know. So there's Peachy. Oh, okay, so this is the one I did. And this is the real character. So, thanks for watching. Subscribe, thumbs up, follow us on Twitter, and bye, YouTube.